Jai Shri Ram. In the start of the year 2022, I had already cautioned the world about terror attacks and terrorism across the globe. In February, March 2022, I had written a book on Russia-Ukraine common conflict and had warned NATO countries to stay away from the war. However, they could not pay attention on my book and they entered the dragon. It is well known, whoever doesn't comply with the words of mine spoken for their welfare, the doors of the destruction gets opened for them. My book was prohibited from sale in NATO nations. My book is restricted from sale in America, England, Germany, just because I remain neutral and just told NATO nations before the advent of war to stay away from war, and they know it. What I wanted to say through that book. And today, one of the leaders of NATO nations is certainly not on his chair. Someone else is arriving there. And the big man from America, he also knows how his country is going. The people of Germany, the people of Britain, the people of America might have read my book, because I am concerned for everybody, for the welfare of all. However, if I wrote in my book, stay away from war, many might take me as a friend of Russia. I cannot lie. I cannot betray. I am related to 30. I am unpredictable. I can go with anybody without any reason. And it happens upon the orders of the God. Now, the people of America have gained repression in the coming times. Americans should not debate all. Within Trump, conservative, democratic, I don't know. But that debate would go on. Nobody cares the people of America, and the people are also busy in such debates. People of Great Britain, United Kingdom are suffering from various problems. They don't like if a man from India is writing a book telling them what to do, what not to do. They don't like it. Yes, they don't like it. But NATO nations like to poke their nose in Russia. To help Ukraine to establish territories in southern region of Russia. Powerful nations of world want to do anything everywhere in this world. But when they see their weapons are powerless, the world leaders are powerless, when a man stops them, warns them, and they treat him as nothing, and so that man says it again, okay, if you have guns, missiles, anything, I am all about for the welfare of the people and not for the politics of the people. It's not about the power. Man can never be powerful. Neither his inventions. The will of the God is supreme. And God have decided to give United States of America, United Kingdom, Germany, and many nations grave problems for at least 8 years, and if in these 8 years the top head of these three nations someday feel that they should go and talk to the man from India and believe in his words, then miracles can happen. I should not say, but I should say it because humans do not like any other human to get close to God. Whenever anybody go close to God, they say he is Satan, he is an evil, he does witchcraft, he is from other religion, he is a pagan, he is a fire worshipper. Hang him, crucify him, stone him, do anything. Humans never love any human if he get powers from God, for he is somewhere connected to God, or somewhere he is in service of God. For some time, for his words and cautions are always provided before the events. And arbitration can be done in the court of the man and his power, the God. Nobody wants. Every president, every prime minister, They are supreme commanders. They head a state and they want to control the world. These are the people who want to control the world and not the man who is connected to God. For God orders sometimes some things through him, and he calls himself a sinner. But those people who want to control the world, those people who hold armies, the superpowers, they want to control the world. They want to disturb peace in every other region, Asia, Pacific, any region. And they are all clean. Even if they will write a book which is of no worth, it will sell. And a man from India writes for the peace of the world, for the good of the people of America, for the people of United Kingdom and Germany. He is a fool, he is a Satan, he is an Illuminati. What can I do? I have nothing in my hands. 8 years of Great Depression. The world is full of great experts, economists. Do anything. Nothing can happen. I should not say, but I have a history. When I say I don't forecast about people, I forecast about nations. Rich turn poor and poor can turn rich. Whoever surrenders or keep faith in me gets miraculous changes. Up till now, nobody have trusted me, so I have only examples of destruction. And a man like me cannot call upon destruction when there is God who controls the world. Who are these presidents, prime ministers who want to control the world, who want to take reign of the world, other small nations, poor nations in their hands. Money cannot buy anything. Money cannot buy everything. And money cannot buy some things. God is there. And don't try to challenge the God. God is supreme commander of the world and nobody should challenge him, because world have no idea about the powers of God. World is living in illusion. They have no idea about the God, His powers. God is very merciful. He have lot of mercy, and humans can never understand the amount of mercy. Every time we see sin happening over here, but God have great amount of mercy. Sometimes even I tell God, stop doing mercy. So much mercy is not good. But He smiles. So I cannot control God. A prime minister or some president should not control God. They should not try to control the world. First control your country, do good for your people. You cannot even do that, but you want to control the world. In today's world, people become prime minister, president, but in reality, if they are given charge of one city, they cannot handle even one city nicely. lust of power, party politics, pressure groups, business tactics, corporate pressure, religious pressure. There are hundreds of pressures, and a politician starts living with all these other pressures, and such people cannot control or work for good of the people of their country, be it any country, small, big, rich, poor, superpower, small power, medium power. So basic problem is the illusion of these gentlemen that they are the God, they are chosen by God. No, God can even choose an ordinary man from India. The devotee of God can be present in any form, and if such devotee want to help other nations, other countries, people of other countries, at least head of their countries should pay some attention. Otherwise, solve your problems. I have no worries. Solve your problem by yourself, but you cannot solve it by your own. And I know you will not allow me also to bring miracles in few months. So the point of conflict is arrogance of the mind. I am bigger, I am the greatest person on the earth. I am better than you, we are better than you. You are from third world country, you are from India. But India was from the olden times guru of all civilizations, mother of all civilizations. Mother is first teacher, mother is first guru. And I want to say, a man from India is not different from India. This is Bharat Mata. A child of Bharat Mata is always ready to help the world. And even here, Hinduism always teaches to spread peace in the world. If some countries or if some people of countries are in pain, then it is my duty to protect them. And that's why I request prime ministers, presidents to understand what I want to say. Some things cannot be explained through protocols, provisions. Some things should be felt by your heart, and every heart is connected with God, and I am really worried for the people of America, United Kingdom, Germany and Europe. I always do something from my nation also, from years, decades. And same craft goes here in India also. Political parties and leaders never listen to me. Sometimes they listen, sometimes they don't. I do research over problems in every ministries, future problems and problems that cannot be seen by humans or most humans. I try to find solutions for them. In every work, God helps. If you want to do something good for your nation or the world, then God will always help you. God will always guide you. Thank you.